Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Fun by Medha. So last time in my segment of simple drawings, we learned to draw a cute little mouse. So do you want to know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn to draw simple caterpillar. So let's start and pick up your paper and pencil. Drawing a caterpillar is very easy and you will agree at the end of this video. So to draw caterpillar, we require to draw circles of different shapes. Let's see how. So first circle makes head of the caterpillar and then draw 2 to 3 more circles which makes the body of the caterpillar. And a small circle at the end to represent a tail like a structure. Then we have to draw tentacles of the caterpillar, which appears to be antenna like structure. Now what are we left with? We are left to draw legs. Yes, we have to draw legs. To draw legs, we just need to draw straight lines and then oval shape structure at the end. And we are done with legs. Wasn't it very easy? So is our drawing complete? No. A face without eyes and a cute smile is incomplete. So let's draw eyes and cute smile. So now as we are complete with the initial drawing, let's draw its border. Now as we are complete with the border, we will now color our caterpillar. So let's color it. So there it goes. We are done with our caterpillar. So all my friends, don't forget to try out. So bye for now and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. Thank you.